Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Casworks Woodworking. I've only been in the shop maybe 3-4 times since April. A lot of things been going on, but I'm glad to be back in the shop. I just turned these 5 mallets. I had to turn a mallet for a friend. I was supposed to be doing it from a tree that came down in his neighbor's yard. Unfortunately, those logs just really weren't viable, so I had some glue ups, primarily maple. I did do one in sassafras, but I'm not sure that that's gonna really be a good one. I think it'll be a little too soft, but I did enjoy doing that. I've got a few things coming up. I've got to do a little I don't know, dresser type of furniture that'll be going in our bathroom area, dressing area actually, and I'm still planning on making our bed. We do have a craft show coming up in November, so there will be a lot of things that I have to make for that as well, so it should end up being a busy time. Still got some vacations and a memorial service kind of smattered in there, so I hope to get as much as I can get done. And if you're subscribed and get the notifications, then you'll know what's coming up next. So thanks for hanging out with me. Have a great week.